MTI liquidators recoup 1.1 billion rands in Bitcoin. Mirror Trading International, MTI, provisional liquidators have recovered 1,281 Bitcoin from the collapsed scheme, which is worth more than 1.1 billion rands at current prices. Following a Section 417-418 investigation, Riaan van Rooyen, one of the joint provisional liquidators, told us that there is a high likelihood of recovering more assets. The investigation was conducted in accordance with the Companies Act, which allows liquidators to question directors and officials in order to determine the causes of a company's demise and to locate missing assets. Van Rooyen was unable to reveal which MTI officials were questioned during the investigation because the Companies Act requires confidentiality. What I can say is that we now have a better understanding of what happened at MTI and where we might be able to look to recover more assets. We are investigating every possible avenue to recover assets, and we have received excellent cooperation from other crypto platforms in our investigations. Late last year, cryptocurrency exchanges began noticing unusual buying patterns from people who had never owned Bitcoin before but were adamant about using these exchanges to purchase Bitcoin and then ship it to MTI-controlled addresses. MTI was placed in provisional liquidation in December of last year after failing to pay out members' withdrawal requests. This came after CEO Johan Steenberg reportedly fled to Brazil, though the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, believes he is in Panama, which has no extradition treaty with South Africa. Others believe he is still in South Africa. Senior executives at MTI have maintained that they were unaware that they were involved in a Bitcoin scam offering up to 10% returns per month, despite the fact that a dump of the MTI database by Anonymous ZA suggests that some of the MTI leaders became multimillionaires within a couple of years of joining the scheme. Tens of thousands of members from all over the world are said to have shipped more than 23,000 Bitcoin, worth more than 20 billion rands at current prices, to MTI. Background: MTI claimed to have used a computer algorithm to generate these returns, but the FSCA found no evidence of the algorithm or any successful trading. Van Rooyen estimates that it will take longer to locate all of the Bitcoin shipped to MTI due to the difficulty of locating cryptocurrencies stored or hidden in various wallets. The FSCA issued a warning about MTI and its exaggerated promises of 10% monthly returns in August of last year, and advised investors to request their money back. MTI was by far the biggest investment scam of 2020 according to Chainalysis. Thousands of people appear to have ignored these warnings. MTI used a multi-level marketing system in which members were paid commissions on new people who joined the scheme. Everything seemed to be going swimmingly until late last year, when withdrawal requests slowed and members were required to provide Know Your Customer (KYC) documents in order to access funds. Withdrawals were halted in December after Steenberg allegedly fled the country. The 1,281 Bitcoin recovered by liquidators came from FX Choice, a Belize-based broker that MTI had used for forex trading. Contrary to MTI's claims of trading success, a review of its trading performance revealed that it was losing money at a rapid pace. Similarly, the FSCA found no evidence of MTI's successful trading. We reported that the application for Mirror Trading International's, MTI, final liquidation had been postponed until May 31, ostensibly by groups that believe the company can still be saved and its debts restructured. Neither Van Rooyen nor the FSCA believe this is likely. Other exchanges noticed unusually heavy Bitcoin trading activity on the Luno crypto exchange this week, eliminating the usual arbitrage 2% to 4% gap between local and overseas exchanges. South Africans generally pay 2% to 4% more for Bitcoin on local versus overseas exchanges. It is believed that the MTI Bitcoin recovered from FX Choice was sold on the open market. According to Marius Wrights, Luno's Africa General Manager, because much of the Bitcoin shipped to MTI was purchased on Luno, it makes sense for it to be sold, on behalf of the liquidators, through the same exchange. He goes on to say that once the exchange became aware of clients sending Bitcoin to MTI, particularly after the FSCA warning, it began to block these transactions. Van Rooyen has urged MTI members to file claims through www.investtrust.co.za and www.tijgebeurttrustees.co.za. If MTI members have any questions about the filing of claims, they can contact MTI claims at investtrust.co.za. We need everyone who was involved with MTI to file claims, Van Rooyen says.